Growing up in Meghalaya, surrounded by hills, rain, and a deep sense of independence, we learned early on to find our own path. While many around me chose familiar routes, I always felt drawn to something different. Discovering civil engineering felt like uncovering a world that quietly connected with everything I had grown up around, and it just makes sense to me.
Hi, I am Modi and I am pursuing civil engineering at NMIT.
When I first came across NMIT, it started as simple curiosity. But the more I explored, the more I realized this was not just about choosing a course. It was about finding a place where I could truly grow. At NMIT, learning goes beyond classrooms. It is where ideas take shape into real structures. You do not just study concepts, you build them, test them, and see them come to life. There is a certain energy on campus that keeps you going, whether it is late night discussion, walking through design, or simple sharing a laugh with friends in between. Here, every challenge feels shared and every achievement feels even more rewarding. From project deadlines to cultural fest, every experience has shaped me, not just as a future engineer but as a person. Because a great career is not built on education alone. It is about the journey, the balance, and the growth along the way.
And at NMIT, I have found all of it.